Are you a landlord or tenant in California? Do you know your rights and obligations under state law? In this video, I'll discuss some of the most important aspects of California landlord-tenant laws, including lease agreements, security deposits, and evictions. Stay informed and subscribe now. Hi, I'm attorney Anthony Gerges, a California licensed attorney with experience in landlord-tenant law. California has some of the most tenant-friendly laws in the country, and it's important to understand your rights as a tenant or landlord. First, let's talk about lease agreements. In California, a lease agreement is a legally binding contract between a landlord and a tenant. It must contain certain provisions and disclosures required by law, such as the amount of rent and security deposit, the length of the lease, and the landlord's responsibility for repairs and maintenance. Next, let's talk about security deposits. In California, a landlord can only charge a maximum of 2 months' rent as a security deposit for an unfurnished unit and 3 months' rent for a furnished unit. The landlord must also provide a written receipt and itemized statement of deductions within 21 days of the tenant's move-out date. Finally, let's talk about evictions. In California, a landlord can only evict a tenant for specific reasons, such as failure to pay rent, violation of lease terms, or causing damages to the property. The eviction process is complex and requires strict adherence to legal procedures, including notice requirements and court filings. Whether you're a landlord or a tenant in California, it's important to understand your rights and obligations under state law. If you need help with a landlord-tenant issue, don't hesitate to seek the advice of a licensed attorney.